Morning folks, gonna do a tyre. Anyway, I've already loosened off the rim lock, taken my valve stem out, so I'm just gonna pop it out now. So that's there, my rim lock. I'm just gonna start opposite it. 3 levers in, 1, 2, 3. And just work your way around. Just keep punching. Rim lock there, around that. So that's there. So I was going to pull my tube out. There's my tube, there's my valve stem there. Tube out, standard duty tube. Now, once again, rim lock's there. So let's start on the top here. Let's get it over the underneath and over. I'll try one of these other levers. It's got a bit more beef in it. Next one in. If you can do it when they're hot, it's even better. Just going to work it around there. So the original lever just popped out. Stick it back in a bit further. And out it pops. Done. Right, gonna put front tyre onto a rim. So I like powder. I put a mark there so I want my direction is forward. So that means it's gonna go that way. Bit of the rim. Powder. Just powder it up like your bum. Don't be too scared of it. Get your tube. I've put a bit of air in it already. Just stick it in there. In there, so you see that hole there. Get me nut. So I'm going to put the tube into the rim. Put the nut on it. Just got to hold my tongue the right way. Challenges. Don't do it tight, just down. Then I'm going to put my bead, my rim lock in. Place it on the one side, put it on the other side. And I'm just going to whoop that bead on. The rim on. Keep working around. A bit at a time. Don't bite too much. Some. Just get the last little bit. One, two, bang, that's on. So once again, just got to push that rim lock out. So the rim lock, get it started. This side. Okay. So now I just work my way around. So I want to finish not opposite that, opposite my rim block. So I sort of want to finish here. The reason for that is so you can push the tyre down into the valley and give you the most distance to there. Back it off so you can get it underneath. And bang bang. Front. Make sure it's going the right direction. That's forward. There. So it's in there. Put some air in. I just pump it up to 40. Just to beat it. Goes. It's 40 pound. Just check that's beaded. Just check that's beaded. That hasn't fully beaded there. That hasn't fully beaded there. So what I'm going to do, just let some air out. Drain all the air out again. You can see just there it hasn't beaded. Go again. There she is. Just walked out. 30. A bit 40, a bit over 40. That's done. Check again. Check again, yeah. So now just run my rim lock up. Do it firm. There's probably easier ways to do this, and there's the other way, saying you got to do it this way or that way. That's what works for me. Best thing you can do is do it at home in the shed. And when you have it out in the paddock, it's easy to do. So I just put a cap on that, and I'm done. Thank you very much. One new Tyre.